Hi parents, I wanted to record and explain to you a little bit more of what we need to practice with our number bonds. And here's how I sign number bond. It's a connection, number bond. If you could see on the page that I have up here, we have addition sentences. 9 plus 1 equals 1 plus 9 equals. We have subtraction sentences. 10 take away 1, 10 take away 9. All of those all connect with one number bond. We would call it a fact family, and I had to have signed that, fact family. But right now we're sticking with number bond because we're using this again and again and again in all of our math lessons. So the larger number is the whole. Here's how I sign it. I do whole and 10. And then I draw a line with my finger, and there's a 1 is a part, another line, and it's 9. So that is the number bond, 10, 1, 9. And what I really need to do is we need to start practicing these number bonds up to 10 to make it automatic, so that way we can do this with our other math lessons. So if I'm going to move the mouse over, you can see the next one is 8 plus 2. So I would sign 10 and then down 8, 2. Sometimes I do it with both hands, 10, 8, 2. And I want them to know when I say 10 and I have 8, what's left? It's 2. So I want them to be able to do that automatically. So then we have 6 plus 4. Again, it's ways to make 10. 6, 4. 3 plus 7. 7, 3. And I'm going to skim down. Now down here, this is not the number bond, but this is what we've been working on. This is the parts to make the 10. So we know that all the answers are 10. We have 7. What is the missing part? It's 3. If you look over here at the other side, we have our 10 as the whole. We have 8. What's the missing part? It's 2. And I'm going to scroll up, actually. This is a sprint that we did in their first lesson, but this is also something that we're coming back to over and over and over. And it is teen numbers, how to make teen numbers. So using the number bond signing on this one, these are parts, not the whole. So I have 10 plus 1, and I raise it up to make it the whole, and I show that goes to 11. 10 plus 1 is 11. 10 plus 2 is 12. 10 plus 4, 14. These also need to be automatic, so these are going to be practiced every day in my room. It'll make it easier for us and more successful for us when we're in Miss Lindo's room in the other math class. If you can practice these at home, that would be great. Ways to make 10, so remember the 10, and then the different ways to make 10, and then also making teen numbers, so 10 plus something up into the whole. This transfers over, like I said, to a lot of our math work. And I think these are just, there we go. Here's our target. So if I was to say, we have this in my classroom, if I was to say our target number, I can't write on it, up here, target number is 10. That means all the targets are 10. They could roll a dice at home. You could give them a number just to practice this. So we have 10, and you roll the dice and you have a 4. What's the missing part? They may have to count up. They may have to use their fingers to figure it out, draw a picture, that's fine. But this paper is going to be our practice to make it automatic, to memorize those 10 facts. If you have any questions on how to sign any more of those, please let me know and you can email me. Thank you.